Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following tutorial, I'll be showing you the ways to sign up for blockchain.com exchange account. So in order to create an account, you could use an application or a web browser. In my case, I'm going to use a web browser. So open up a browser and type in blockchain.com exchange. You could see the first link, that is exchange.blockchain.com, that is going to take you to this official page. You make sure to tap on the accept all button and read all of these information. Now then, to begin with the creation of your account, tap the try bar icon from the top right and select whether you wish to go with the exchange, wallet, explorer, wallet, all of that, and select accordingly and click on sign up. When you click on the sign up button, it is going to take you to the sign up field where you have to go ahead and enter in the following information. That is, enter in the email address, create a password, or retype in the password for the confirmation, and then the country or resident. If you have a referral code, you could go ahead and enter that and mark on the terms and condition. Now quickly enter in all of these information and press the continue button located right at the bottom. Next, what you have to do is you need to go ahead and verify your email address, your contact details, all of that, and you'll receive an email from which you have to go ahead and verify your account. You just have to click the blue button and confirm your account creation. That's going to indicate that you've successfully created your blockchain account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.